Hi. This LRA training video guides you on how to open your taxpayer account on the tax system. First, before opening an account, you must be a registered taxpayer with a TIN. You will need a receipt number and the receipt date of payment made on your TIN to complete registration of the account. You will also need an official ID, like a national ID card or a passport. To start, open your browser and type the URL in the address bar as shown. https://litas.lra.gov.lr/tax/#. Click the Sign Up tab. Enter your TIN. Enter the date of registration. Click Confirm. Type a payment receipt number for any payment made on your TIN. Enter the date of the receipt. Click Next. Select the identifier type that you used during registration from the drop-down list. Identifier type could be national ID card, for example. Enter the number for the identifier selected in the identifier field, example the national identification number shown on the national ID card. Enter the date of the identification document. Example, the date of the national ID card. Click Confirm. Enter your email address. Enter your phone number. Click Next. Click on Send Mail to send to the email address entered on the previous page. A subscription email is sent. Click the link in the subscription email. This will take you back to the sign up page to complete the sign up process. Enter a login user ID of your choosing. Enter a password. You will have to re-enter the password to confirm it. Click Complete. This sends your account to an administrator for activation. Activation will be done within 24 hours. Once your account is activated, you can log in. If your account has not been activated and you try to log in, you will be notified by an alert that the activation has not been completed by the administrator.